How will OpenResty X-Rays agent affect a TargetGo application's performance? Let's find out in this video. First, let's run the top command to check the process list. Right now, the agent of OpenResty X-Ray is not running any analysis. So its performance impact on the target process are strictly zero. Thanks to dynamic tracing technologies. It never modifies the target processes in any way. Look at this process named Jin Hello World. We already know it is written in Go. Its CPU utilization fluctuates around 43%. The load average of the last minute is 0.62. The current CPU idle percentage is about 84%. The current available memory is about 1546 megabytes. Let's instruct OpenResty X-Ray to actively analyze the Go process. Then we can see its performance impact on the target. Open the OpenResty X-Ray web console in the web browser. Make sure it is the right machine you are watching. The production mode is for analyzing online production environments. It tries hard to minimize the performance impact on the target applications and servers. It may take longer to analyze though. Go to the guided analysis page. Let's select high CPU usage. Click on Next. Select the Go application. Let's start analyzing. The system will keep performing different rounds of analysis. It will keep sampling for 300 seconds, or 5 minutes. Let's return to the previous terminal window. We can see the CPU utilization is around 47%. It's a bit higher than 43% we saw before sampling. So there is no measurable impact on the target process's CPU usage. And the load average of the last minute is 0.63, nearly the same as the previous value, 0.62. The CPU idle percentage is 85%, nearly the same as the previous value, 84%. The current available memory is about 1622 megabytes, an increase of 76 megabytes from before. We measured the maximum server throughput in different cases. Here is what we found. Without installing the OpenResty X-Ray agent, the maximum throughput is about 24,500 requests per second. When the OpenResty X-Ray agent is installed but not running the analyzers, the request rate remains the same. When analyzers are sampling, the request rate is about 24,100 requests per second, merely 1.5% lower than when not doing analysis. It can be seen that running the analyzers for performance analysis has minimal impact on the maximum throughput of the target process. Here is the benchmark showing the impact on request latency during the sampling process. And this is what we found in comparison. Without installing the OpenResty X-Ray agent, the average request latency is 406 microseconds. When the agent is installed but the analyzers are not running, the average latency remains unchanged. When the analyzers are sampling, the latency is 412 microseconds. An increase of only 6 microseconds. Running the analyzers for performance analysis has a minimal impact on the latency. Let's go back to the OpenResty X-Ray web console. The overhead of automatic analysis in the Insights page and dashboard page is similarly small and tiny. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.